Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have another Universal Yums snack crate. We have a feisty visitor today. So, if you do not know what Universal Yums is, it's a monthly subscription box where every month they will send you a box of snacks from a different country each month. And it's always a surprise of where it's coming from. They did send me an email this time and actually let me know where this one was coming from because of what's happening in the world. They had actually planned this way back in the summer. This box is from Russia, and they gave you the option to change your country if you wanted to or to keep it. I just decided to leave it how it was. I don't think we've had a box from Russia, so it'll be interesting to try all the foods from there. All right. So when you open it up, it is not from Russia. They lied in their email. It's from France. So I wonder why they sent that email, because I didn't go in and change anything.
Maybe our next one is.
Maybe. I don't know. So inside when you open it, it's got a fact card about the country with all kinds of fun facts, music you can download and things like that. And it usually comes with a fun sticker. And then it also has like a little booklet magazine with some more things about the country. And then inside it will have a description of the snack and tell you a little bit more about it, which is really helpful because a lot of the time the packaging is in another language and we can't read it. So this comes in handy. So let's move this out of the way. I know, I can see.
I'm scared.
So first off, we have some chips that say sweet chili. Chips a la crevette, sweet chili. So that's what they look like. They kind of have like a pork rind consistency, but let's see what it says.
I need chapstick.
Let's see if I can find it.
If I can find it.
Oh, there it is. Sweet chili shrimp crackers.
Oh.
The French seaside with a spicy, crispy twist. So shrimp flavored crisp.
That one open. I'm scared.
They have a strong smell. That's what it looks like. It is sweet.
It is.
Not spicy, just a little bit of a kick.
Pretty good.
Yeah, those are actually pretty good.
I was scared they were gonna be like spicy.
So we usually rate our snacks after we try them from 1 to 10. I'd probably give these a 5. Not my most favorite, but they're not bad.
3 or 4.
3 or 4. Cleanse the palate there. Yeah, so I was expecting a very strong seafood flavor and spice, and no, it's more of a sweet thing. So these are wasabi chips, which is probably
Wasabi?
very spicy.
Wasabi is like a type of pepper.
Crunch into France's fieriest chips if you dare. Mouth scorching wasabi is what it says.
I'm scared. I'm scared about that one. Real
Yeah, so
bad.
maybe our next month box is gonna be from Russia.
Maybe they give us a hint about it was made last summer.
No,
So maybe
they
it's
just
in
start.
the summer.
No, they start ordering the stuff and getting them ready.
Oh. Oh, excuse me.
So it looks like just a regular potato chip.
First, you
That's
tell me
green.
if it's spicy. You have to tell me if it's spicy.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I have to.
Just try like a little pinch. I could not eat those. Did you even get anything? I think you're pretending.
No, I'm not.
I didn't see you get anything.
Well, I did.
Okay, you got crumbs.
I didn't eat the crumbs what I had.
It is a very,
I
very...
left it on my tongue for a moment. So now my tongue is like molten lava.
Very intense wasabi flavor.
I'm trying to like chew my tongue up.
It would be very hard to sit there and eat that bag. But I guess if you love wasabi, you would like that.
Dad.
I give those a 1 just because I do not like wasabi.
I give those a half 1.
A half a point. Okay, what should we try next?
Let's get these over with because I don't really like almond at all.
Almond cookies. Mason Gruyere. French fine cookies. That's what it looks like.
My foot. Pinched my foot.
It's really hard to open. Okay. Oh.
That's pretty good.
They're like little airy cookies. They smell really good.
Mine has like barely any on. Oh, mine has this one.
That's interesting. Like, are they supposed to look like that?
They're good. Oh my gosh.
They taste good.
Mama.
Almond croquants de Cordes. Crispy almond cookies.
Mama, oh my gosh. My knees are alive.
It reminds me of like if peanut brittle was softer. Like airy. Those are good. And you said you didn't like almonds.
Well, I don't like almonds themselves. And I don't like some things with almonds because they're like, oh, almonds, and I don't.
I could eat that whole thing. I give that an 8. Very good. Very, very good. I'm going to pick now. This.
Oh, I see my thing that I'm...
Brett's. We've had Brett's chips before. I don't think we've had this flavor, maybe. Onion and balsamic vinegar.
My grandpa's name. Maybe
I like
made by him.
both of those flavors.
Okay. Onion and
balsamic vinaigrette. Smells good. It looks like a little ruffle chip, kind of. Really strong balsamic vinegar flavor. I like it. I wasn't expecting that intense flavor, but it's good.
Like when you bite into it, it's like, vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, vinegar.
I mean, good. I don't know if I would buy these if I saw them in the store. They wouldn't be my first pick, but they're good. So I'll give them a 7.
My thing I've been waiting for the whole time since I saw it in the book.
Next up, mini strawberry bonbons chewy candy. It looks like that. Let's see what it says about that. It says French strawberry chews, our customers' juicy, chewy favorite from France. Are you okay? You gonna make it?
I don't know what it's gonna be like. They're like gum when you first bite into it, but they're
It's like a gummy candy coated in powdered sugar. Very good.
One of my favorite things so far.
Very, very good. I give these a 9.
Out of 10, I give that a 100. Just out of 10, you know, 100.
So we have another Brett's chip to try. It's an aioli flavor. I like aioli sauce on sandwiches and things like that.
I put like 3 in my mouth at once.
So, looks like another ruffle chip. Has a strong, like, kind of garlicky smell. Very garlicky. Very good. I like these better than the balsamic vinegar. So I'd have to give these an 8. Like, I would buy these and eat these again. These are really, really good. Think like garlic flavored chips, kind of. They're good. What do you rate them? What do you rate them?
I don't know. They're good.
They're just good.
That's all I know.
Corn snack cheesy flavor. And it's got a little mouse on the packaging. Let's read about it. Oh, French cheese tubes. It has a bunch of random facts, but it just says they're cheese tubes, whatever that means.
Tubes of cheese.
Oh, they look like American bugles.
Oh, they kind of do.
They taste like bugles. They're like the American version of these is bugles, cheese bugles.
Just like a hint of cheddar.
Mm-hmm. They're not bad.
Cheddar.
I don't really like American bugles that much. They're just okay to me. I give it a 5. Not bad. Not great. It's okay. All right, next up, what are we gonna grab?
I'll say a 6 up.
Ooh. Big old chocolate bar, dark chocolate with sea salt
Oh.
crystals. I would buy this in the store.
Like already by the packaging, you know you
Yeah.
buy it.
Like I would pick this up, like no hesitation. That looks good.
Dark chocolate, sea salt, she'll like
Yeah.
it.
Add a little bit of caramel in there. It's probably my favorite candy bar.
Oh my goodness, I'm in
And it's a big one. You know who's gonna eat all this?
Me. Me.
Oh, okay.
Me.
So, got a little piece there.
Doesn't look like
It
there's sea
smells
salt.
so good.
Doesn't even look like there's sea salt in it.
Oh, it smells so good.
Wait, let me see that too. It shows there's sea salt inside. There's not sea salt inside.
Yeah, there is. You can taste it.
Oh yeah, there is. I see.
That is really, really good.
Wait, listen. Guys, listen. Perfection. If it has the click, it goes through the click test, it's perfect.
It gets 10 out of 10. If I could rate it higher, I would. 10 out of 10. Fantastic. I don't know how to say that brand. Chemoy? I don't know. I don't speak French. I can't wait to eat the rest of that. That is amazing.
I would say an 8 or a 7. It's just because it's so rich.
Yeah, but
it's
that's
good.
what makes it so good. Okay, I'm gonna pick this. Tresors.
Water.
I don't know any of the other words. I'm not going to try and pronounce it because I will butcher it. But on the back it has an English version. It says poppy crackers, poppy pepper. So maybe it's like poppy seed crackers. It kind of looks like it.
That reminds
Poppy
me.
seed and black pepper waffles.
That reminds me of, you know, when we were at that one like hotel that I forgot what it's called. The hotel that has like the sun picture in it.
Here you
I remember when we were like getting breakfast and we had lemon popsicle.
That's what they look like, little mini crispy waffles.
Don't have a taste. Don't have much of a taste.
They have a very hint black pepper taste.
Oh, they do.
Just like a small hint. I like it. I like the texture of the cracker. I would eat these again. Just because I like the crunch that the crackers make. I give that a 6. You not gonna read it?
Oh, 2.
A 2? Okay.
Box.
So this is another one of the same brand that we tried earlier of the almond cookies. This one says it's apricot and vanilla. That sounds amazing. Apricots and vanilla. Ooh. And they're kind of the same way. They're like really thin and airy and crispy. Smells good. That's really good. That apricot flavor. Hey, we're gonna be fighting over these.
Mine. They're mine. Look at that one. Big.
Very, very good. It gets stuck in your teeth, but it's worth it. I give these a 9. Very, very good. Would eat those again.
8.5.
8.5? Okay. Next. What is next? What shall we try? What shall we try? Let's try this. The mystery. It says La Mière Pollard. Looks kind of like a couple of cookies in there. Maybe ginger. Oh, apple caramel cookies.
Ooh.
Here, let's split it in half.
Okay.
It's crispy. I like crispy cookies sometimes.
That's good. That's good.
That's really good. That apple and caramel flavor mixed in there. Woo! Very, very good. I give these an 8.
9.
How much?
9.
9? I want a whole box of those.
Mm-hmm.
Like if I saw those at the store, I would buy them. Okay. Next up, truffles bar. French cacao truffles. Like that. Ooh. They don't have like the best
Oh no,
appearance.
we've seen these. We've seen those. We've seen those. We've seen those.
They don't have the best appearance. So, French cacao truffles. To me, it just looks something that's not appetizing to eat.
I thought they were like cookie bites. On the packaging, they look more appetizing than they really. The outside is good, kind of. Not really. Imagine after eating these, we just shut the whole place down. We're just like, no. I don't know what to do with this.
I don't like the outside of it.
I'm just playing with this.
I will say it's really creamy. It kind of melts in your mouth. I don't like it.
Oh, the whole thing is the outside. Oh.
It's not that they, I don't know. My brain's really confused about this one because I like chocolate and I like dark chocolate.
If you take tiny bites, it's good.
But I did not like that. I would give it a 3. What do you give it? You're enjoying it.
2.5.
A 2.5? Then why are you still eating it?
Because if you take tiny bites, it doesn't taste like it did last time.
Okay.
It's good.
Same brand as the apple caramel cookie, Pollard. I'm probably saying it wrong. Tout chocolate. Looks like cookies. Like so.
All over my hands.
Oh, there's 2 packs of these in there. Let's see what it says about it.
Biscuits, kitty cat, will you join us in our snack?
I can't find these.
Area?
Oh, there it is. Dark chocolate shortbread palettes. Dark cocoa and butter made for one tasty French puck. So in France they call it a puck. Put that down.
Oh yeah, I shouldn't make as much as that because I did.
So it has 1888 stamped on it. I'm assuming that's when the bakery started.
It's good.
Very chocolatey. Definitely dark chocolate. But it's good. Like, really, really good. I think the apple caramel one's still better, but this is up there. Like, that makes me want to raise my apple caramel to a 9, like how she rated it, right? Because I rated mine an 8 and you said 9, and give this an 8. Very good. Okay, what are we gonna try next? Ooh, another cookie from that brand. I'm pretty excited because so far everything this brand makes is really good. These are butter cookies. I like butter cookies. A lot of people don't like them because they think that they're so plain, but I really like them. I think they're really good. Ooh, they look so good. I think chocolate chip is my all-time favorite cookie, but a good like butter cookie is definitely up there on my list. There you go. It looks like that. That's a good butter cookie. Oh, I love butter cookies. I give this a 9. Very good.
Those are all mine.
Mm-mm. Very, very good. Up there with that. If I had to choose between this and the apple caramel, oh, that'd be a tough one. Which would you pick?
This.
The butter cookie?
100%.
I think I would too, just because I like the texture a little bit more of the butter cookie. I got crumbs all over me. Okay, is the bag the last thing? So they always send a yum bag in every box, and it's usually a bag of like smaller little candies and stuff to try. So we have macaroon, raspberry macaroon truffles.
Mine. I said strawberry something. I don't even know what it is, but it's mine.
So they sent us 4 of these raspberry macaroon truffles.
Oh, I know what these are. I've had these before.
They look like caramels.
They come from here in America too. They're here in America.
Okay, that's what that looks like. And it looks the same as the chocolate ones, but that's raspberry.
No.
So here, let's tear it in half.
Okay.
If we can. Ooh. Okay. Drop some on the floor. I don't like it.
Maybe switch sides.
Why? Huh? Did you try it?
A tiniest bit, like this big of a bite, and it was
I mean, the raspberry just like punches you in the face, and I'm not the biggest raspberry fan anyway. But then, like, I already didn't like the other flavor of that.
Mama, since there's 2 different flavors of these, if they're not too hard to split apart, could we split them? Because I really want to try the orange, but I want to eat the strawberry.
Okay.
Okay.
So they sent us these fruit chews. There's a orange, a grape, and a strawberry. Oh, you have a grape too.
Yes.
That's what
2
that
grapes.
looks like.
The grape one looks like that. Oh, they're gonna be hard to break apart.
Go get it. Well, let's just use the scissors.
Ow. Ow. Oh no. Oh, really hard. I took the whole thing in my mouth. Ow.
Very, very chewy,
Ow.
but really good flavor.
Oh. We should have split the grape.
It tastes like an orange creamsicle.
We should have split this grape. Ow.
Way chewy.
I regret
Way
bringing the
chewy.
whole thing. Ow.
I give it a 5. It's good. Like if they were in the candy bowl and they're the only thing there, I'd probably grab them. They have good flavor, just super, super chewy. So next thing we'll try, they sent us 4 of these little, they look like caramels. So we'll split one of these. There's that.
Oh, these are way better than the ones here. Those are
Salted.
way better.
Salted butter caramels.
Those are way better.
These are really good.
Really chewy though too.
I give these an 8.
7. I've never said a 7 this whole video.
Definitely get stuck in your teeth. Hard to talk and chew. And it looks like they also sent us 4 of these. These remind me of Werther's candies here. Let's see what it says that they are.
They look like coffee.
Cream brulee caramels.
Oh, the caramel.
They're hard. It tastes like a Werther's hard candy that we have here, which are really good. Very, very good. Like you would have to leave this in your mouth for a while. Oh, very good.
Very
I give these an 8. I'd like to have these all the time. Very good. So overall, this was a very, very good box. The bakery, La Mier Pollard, I don't know how you say it. I'm mispronouncing it probably. They make the best cookies. The butter cookies, the chocolate cookies, the apple caramel, all fantastic. We did not like the raspberry truffles. If I could give it a negative score, I would. It was horrible. Don't recommend. The wasabi chips, unless you're just a big wasabi fan, no. The rest of the chips though, very good. The aioli I think was our favorite out of all the chips. The garlic flavor. Oh, and the dark chocolate candy bar that I'm gonna have to hide. Get my chocolate fix on.
Except for now.
No.
Before I take it.
All right. So I hope you like and subscribe. And maybe I misread the email. And our next box is going to be from Russia. So stay tuned for that unboxing that we'll have very soon. And until next time,